Hi all, welcome back to a new video for Horilla. In this video, let's discuss about multiple approvals for leave request. So in some cases, we need multiple approvals for the leave request. So let's see how we can manage that in Horilla. Under the configuration, we have the multiple approvals. So let's go to multiple approvals. And from here, we'll be able to set multiple approval condition. So let's create a new approval condition. So let's click on create. And we have to fill in all these details. So let's give the department over here as HR department, and then we have the condition field, that is the leave requested days, and then we have the condition operator. So to add a condition operator, let's say greater than, and the conditional value is 5, and the approval managers. So I'm adding the approval managers as Andrew Hayes. And we can add more managers, that is we need multiple approvals. So more manager, and I'm selecting Nora Reid. So this is the condition. So according to this condition, whenever an employee from the HR department's request for leaves greater than 5 days, the approval managers will be Andrew Hayes and Nora Reid, and he needs to get multiple approvals in this case. So here let's apply this, and the multiple approval condition has been created. So we can see that her leave requested days greater than 5, approval managers are Andrew Hayes and Nora Reid. So when a leave request has been created from an employee in the HR department, first the leave request has to be approved by Andrew Hayes, and only then the leave request will be visible for Nora Reid so that she can approve. So let's go to an employee in the HR department. So this is Emilia Cooper's employee portal, and she's in the HR department. She needs a leave for 7 days. So let's create a leave request. So under the leave, we can go to the My Leave Request and create a leave request. So let's click on create, and let's select the leave type sick leave, and we can see the available leaves over here. And let's give a start date 19th and a start date breakdown, that is full day. And we have to add the end date. So let's add the end date 25, and now let's give the end date breakdown, that is we have added full day. Now we need to add an attachment for the sick leave, that for the leave request that we are creating. So let's click on browse. So we can add a file over here. We can upload a file, and then we have to add the description also. Let's save this leave request, and the leave request has been created. So here we can see that since we have added 2 persons, that is Andrew Hayes and Nora Reid, as the managers to approve the request, we can see 0 out of 2 approved. So when Andrew Hayes approves, we can see 1 out of 2, and when Nora Reid approves, the approval will be complete, and she will be able to take the leave. So now let's go to Andrew Hayes' profile. And in the Andrew Hayes profile, we can go to the leave and leave requests. Here we'll be able to see the request that was created by Emilia Cooper, and he can approve it from here. Let's confirm this. And when the request has been confirmed by one of the managers, we can see in Emilia Cooper's profile that 1 out of 2. So let's go to Emilia Cooper's profile, and under his leave, we can go to the My Leave Request, and here we can see that 1 out of 2 approved, since the request was approved by Andrew Hayes. Now the request has to be approved by Nora Reid. So let's go to Nora Reid's profile, Nora Reid's portal. So in the Nora Reid's portal, we can go to the leave requests, and in the leave request, she can view the leave request that was created by Emilia Cooper. So now let's approve it from her side as well. We can confirm this, and we can see that the leave request has been approved successfully. Now let's go back to Emilia Cooper's profile, and we can view that the status of the leave will be approved. So the status of the leave has been changed to approved, since the leave was approved by both of the managers that we have set there. So since the requested days is 6, that is greater than 5, the request has to be approved by multiple managers. So according to the conditions that we have set there. So this is the multiple approvals for leave request in Horilla. Hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.